Well, well, well.
We're in a parking garage.
These elevators could have easily been made glass. I mean, I legitimately thought they were going to be glass.
No, they should be.
Until they weren't.
You know what the funny thing is? They technically are glass on the inside.
Hey, you know what's funny? You don't typically see the Kone KSS 140 button on this panel.
I think these are replaced.
Yeah, I bet.
It's also got a key switch on it. Might be just to lock it up.
Yeah, these elevators are pretty new and they're already in questionable shape.
That's sad. Well, look how dark it is now.
I know, right?
Like, let's close the door before we take off. Like, when it gets dark.
Yeah, look at this. It's dark in here.
So dark.
It's cold too. Like it's a lot.
It's colder in here than it is outside.
That's what I was about to say.
Shit, let's go up.
At least they run decently.
Yeah, they're not bad. They're Monospace.
Yeah.
I wonder if you can walk across.
We need to catch it before. What the? Is that? What the hell? Is this a? What? That's a bowl.
No, like, what is this?
Where's the button? It's gone. The button is gone.
This is an abandoned parking garage.
And it smells like. It smells like. It smells like the. It smells like the gunk you. This smells like the gunk you clean out of your bong. It's nudging.
Yeah, don't.
It smells like bong water up here. That's disgusting.
Okay. No, that's.
Okay.
I want to get a picture of that and put that in the thumbnail.
Yeah. I guess these elevators are a little more troubled than we initially thought.
Yeah. Somebody stole.
There's just no call button. No wonder nobody's parked on 4. You can't get down.
Let's go back up. I'll hold the car while.
Well, let's go to 3 and end it, actually. Well, screw 1. 4.
Well, we can't let the door close.
We just can't let that's what I was going to say. We just can't let the door close because otherwise we got to walk down the ramp. Or we got to go all the way to the other side.
Hold it open.
Oh my.
There's no DH on this. I can't do that. That's hilarious.
I wonder what the rest of the mall's going to be like.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, it literally smells like bong gunk up here. It doesn't?
It's really hard to push. And I think it's now stuck.
Oh my. These elevators are very poor condition.
Yep, I got it stuck. Well, at least it's not going to leave us now. So I guess that's it.
Oh my. Look at that. This is something else. It's not closing.
Oh boy,
It's nudging now. It's not nudging.
Did it go out of service?
No.